nothing left. Do you have stuff on MySpace or whatever?
Yeah. Nothing
Okay.
left, Chico.
It's filming.
Oh. I was like, what are you doing?
So we're gonna get something to eat?
I don't know.
I know.
You want food?
I don't know. Maybe not. Let's not. Okay.
January 4th, 2008. So.
But quite a few things came out, so you can maybe catch up with this again.
Things like that.
Yeah. Well, they only work like 10 months a year, stuck in a boring life, or whatever. But through
about these results, and you sit there and you think, okay, about his performance, because I think Eddie Murphy's hilarious. I mean,
because they were always like Lord of the Rings : The Two Towers.
You could write a feature about Rob Bell, but really what we care about
a song
is what
about
he
that.
has to say.
But the thing I left out, when you hear the line that says, like, headed through downtown, headed to Geary, I don't remember how it goes. I know it when I sing it. What I left out was the fact that I caused a minor car accident by going on to an off-ramp. So,
It's not a big deal.
it's a big deal, big rig, had to slam on its brakes, car ran into a van, whatever. I thought it kind of ruined the feel of the song, so kind of opted to leave it out. But just know that when I talk about Geary, that came next. I left my heart in San Francisco, in the city down by the bay. Take Fifth Street to Mission Hill, Embarcadero, all the way to the Rainforest Cafe. We're walking on the pier side by side, talking about whatever is on our minds. So let's climb over to this embankment. The red light flashes as the ceiling roars, 'cause we leave our lives behind in San Francisco. And while we're there, all our worries float away. So can we take a trip into that city, to that wonderful city by the bay? Driving through downtown, headed for Geary. We're taking it all the way to Ocean Beach. That's the way the cars do. We drive up and the fires are already burning. So I grab a guitar, sit by the fire and sing. And this is what I remember of San Francisco. This time spent laughing and carrying on. I'm walking on the beach with my best friend, just talking and wasting our lives away. 'Cause we leave our lives behind in San Francisco. While we're there, all our worries float away. They float away. So can we take a trip into that city, that wonderful city by the bay? And this is about as complex as I get as far as solos. City by the bay. The song he hates the most, and then I'll stop playing it.
Back in Black by AC/DC, and it's because Adam is back and he's wearing a black t-shirt.
I almost always wear black t-shirts. That's almost exclusively what I wear.
And while you were gone, you have a plane. This has come up many times on the podcast or the message boards. People,
I'm sorry, I thought this was America, not the United States of the Soviet Union.
That's why I'm voting for Ron Paul.
Yeah. A vote for Ron Paul is a vote for worker death matches. You heard me say it.
Well, just played my show in Red Bluff. I'm on my way back to Chico in order to sleep. And then I head up north to Portland. I play in Hillsboro on Wednesday, and then I play in Portland on Thursday. So that should be a lot of fun. Tonight was great. I got to play with Mariah Lowe, Julie Jefferson, and Jacob Lee, and everyone was awesome. The people at the show were very nice, very supportive, and so I was really happy about that. And my special lady, Bethany, came. She's right there. You probably can't see her though. I'm going to film her in a moment. And that was really nice. It'll be the last time we see each other for 2 weeks. We'll see each other for like a day and a half, and then I leave for a month and a half. So I'm trying to milk it as long as possible. Again, be checking back on these little webisodes to get the hidden messages, decipher them, and win free stuff. I am going to put a hidden message here. So decipher that, and I don't know where it is. This area. I should drive. And decipher that, email me on MySpace, and you'll win free music, free CDs, maybe free buttons, a tour poster, if I'm feeling frisky, a t-shirt, whatever. But you have to decipher it and email me, and you can only win once. And don't tell people the secret. And that's all. Bye! That's Bethany.
Hey.
Wait, do it again.
Night.
Good night.